Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add voice or sound to Anki cards. Again, we have here a few options, so I will show you all of them, and yeah, you can decide then which one to use. So make sure that you watch until the end to know all the methods and then to choose whatever suits you best. All right, so let's start with the record your voice directly. So this is, let's say, the fastest option. So what we are going to do is click add at the top of the main window. Then what we are going to do, all right, so as you can see, you have here front audio and back audio. So let's go with the front audio field. Then what we are going to do next is click the microphone here in editing toolbar, or you can just press F5 on your keyboard and Anki will automatically begin recording. Speak clearly into your computer microphone. When you are ready with that, just click save or press F5 again to stop recording. Now a piece of code like this sound rec and some numbers will appear in your text box. This is your audio file. Now, the second method which we have is open the add. So keep editing this card, this one. So we go again add to this window here. Open your computer's file explorer. So Finder on Mac or File Explorer on Windows. So this is this basically. Now what we are going to do is just simply what you need to do is just drag and drop it directly into the text field on your Anki code. So let me just do that. Drag and drop like so. And here it is. We have now front audio in. Now, alternatively, what you can do is click the paper clip icon next to the microphone in editing toolbar and select the file from your computer like so. It's the same thing basically at the end. Now, for the last method which we have is what we can do. Let me close all of this. Click tools and then manage note types. So manage note types from the main Anki menu, select your note, then let's say this one, and then cards on the right side. In the card template window, choose whether you want the audio on the front template or back template. So let's say front template. And what we are need to do is we will paste the following voice code tag into the template box, which will replacing front with your actual field name and basically with your target language code. So it looks something like this, as you can see. So let's say for French, you will put in something like that. And what we have, German, we have, sorry, this one. And let's say for Spanish also, as you can now predict how you can do that, is like that. And yeah, when you're happy with that, just click save and Anki will automatically read that field all loud whenever the cards is shown. And yeah, this is basically it, how you can add voice or sound to Anki cards. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next